Welcome back to Prompt Shop in a Box. I wanted to show you the kind of money you can make with this, and you are getting the resale rights to my prompts that I worked on for a long time. And you can mix and match. You can decide to sell some of them, only themed ones, or all of them that are available. And it's really cool. It's like having a vending machine. I think it's the equivalent, the best equivalent I can give it. So I wanted to show you my real numbers here. This is so this is over time. This is from September 19th, 2025 through October 9th, 2025. And I wanted to show you for real. So when you see a zero here, this is from my page. When you see a zero here, it's because someone used a coupon. So I give a lot of these discounts, like $10, $20 discount codes for people to use so they can get a taste of these prompts and see how valuable they are. And a lot of times they'll come back and buy more, or they'll buy more while they're checking out. They're checking out. So for these, you see I have $5 one, $15, $1, $3. This $14, $7, $3. And so over what is that, a 3 week period? That would be a few dollars. Let's see if we can do the math real quick. That's 25, 28. Look at the screen and do it with me. 42, 49, 52, 54. So $54 in 3 weeks. Now, you may be saying, well, that's not a lot of money, but listen to me. You're paying just a little bit of money to have access to this. And on top of that, I don't do anything but post a couple of links every once in a while. So all you have to do is post a couple of links or put the link in your email um, signature, or make a video about it somewhere on YouTube or Instagram, elsewhere. It's just a very passive thing in the background. So your return on the investment you're making in it is super, super high. If that's what you get in 3 weeks, you make it back. Now, that was that specific one, but I wanted to show you now one that's a bit more robust and what happens when you do put extra energy into it. So the past couple of days, I have put a lot more energy into I think I had a video about it, and then I had some residual from an appearance. So this is for partial October 6th, it's not all, and this is for a little bit of October 15th, or all of October 15th, and one from the 14th. So I don't have the other side of the 16th or the other side of the 14th. But this, in less than 3 days, let's see what this is. So this is for 75, 125. 158, 165, 195, 215 or 220, 219, something like that. So more than $200 in 3 days when I did put more effort into it. And what you see here, I think the zeros tell a great story, because as I have mentioned inside of the Prompt Shop in a Box tutorials, you want to sometimes give some for free. You want to have sales. So if, let's say you have this on Squarespace, which is an option, you can just have a coupon code. If you have it on school, which most people are going to do, and how it's the easiest way to plug and play, I have all these things you can just copy. If you do it on school, all you have to do is change the buy now, where somebody has to pay for it, to a zero for a limited time, and just say it's a limited time. So they'll come in, they'll get access to the free ones, and then they'll see all the other ones, and they'll be curious, and they'll fill the cart, and they'll check out. So this is what I wanted to just give you, the behind the scenes real time of what these look like. So anybody who's thinking, oh, prompts, like they're $3 prompts, $4 prompts. There are some prompts that cost $99 in my shop that you have access to resell as a prompt shop in a box customer. So as a reseller. So it's very, very simple to do this. It's plug and play. Take a look around the classroom, get to know it a little bit better. I wanted to make it as simple as possible. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. This has been a blast.